Notes.
How can you remember what you read? We are going to focus on 3 different ways. 1. Underlining. 2. Highlighting. And 3. Taking notes. Let's look at each way more closely. You will need to write in your book. That's okay. It's okay to write in a book if it belongs to you. First, you can underline the text. Underline means to draw a line underneath. Secondly, you can highlight the text. To highlight, you use a special colored pen to draw over the text. Don't underline or highlight everything. Only underline or highlight the important words and ideas. Here's an example of how to underline and highlight a text. You can highlight and underline, or just do one or the other. In this example, we're going to highlight the main ideas in yellow and underline the supporting details. First, let's read it.
Better equipment is not always a bad thing, of course. New equipment can certainly be good for a sport. For example, tennis rackets used to be wooden. The heavy rackets could break and cause injuries. In the 1980s, companies introduced new high-tech carbon rackets, which are easier and safer to use. The new rackets have made tennis more enjoyable for the average tennis player. Technology has improved equipment in all sports, from downhill skiing to bicycle racing.
What are the main ideas in this paragraph? What should we highlight? The main ideas are: new equipment can certainly be good for a sport, and technology has improved equipment in all sports. Now look at the rest of the paragraph. Which supporting details are most important to the main ideas? Which ones would you underline? Some key supporting details are tennis rackets, wooden, new high-tech carbon rackets, and easier and safer to use. You can also take notes about what you read. When you take notes, you just write down a few words to help you remember. You can take notes in the margin, the empty space in the book next to the text. Don't take notes about everything. Just write down the ideas you want to remember. You can take notes about main ideas, supporting ideas, and important names, dates, or numbers. Look at the sample paragraph from before. If you take notes on it, it might look like this. So, can you name 3 ways to help remember what you read?